Okay, this is 190.85 grand jury reports. So report concerns the misconduct, nonfeasance, or neglect in public office. It's going down, folks. The grand jury investigating a public servant. Okay, so they're investigating a public servant, and they have the right to give the public servant notice that they are investigating in case the public servant wants to give their side of the events. And either one of two things can go down. Number one, the grand jury can make a recommendation to the agency that employs this public servant that they be disciplined or terminated. Okay? Or they may say, as a matter of public policy, the way of doing things should be different. And they report that the agency should do things in a different way. They're like, your system is screwed up, fix it. We're the grand jury and we're ordering you to fix that shit because it's broken. I'm sure that happens in a lot of public service office or whatever. All right, here we go. Okay, so 3, order accepting report must be sealed by the court and may not be filed as public record or be subject or otherwise be made public until at least 30 days after a copy of the order and the report are served upon each public servant named therein, or if appeal taken until affirmance of the order accepting report, or until reversal of order sealing the report, or until dismissal of an appeal of named public servant can file answer to such report not later than 20 days after service of the order and the report upon him, and shall become appendix to the report, except for those parts of the answer which the court may determine to be scandalously or prejudiciously and unnecessarily inserted therein. So basically, they're sealing this shit until whatever either the guy public service is going to answer. Like it's, in the midst of handling it. It's not decided whether, it's going against, it's just going to be voted against the public servant for those first two reasons. So within that time, they're going to seal it. They're going to seal it until there's some resolution, basically. Okay. DA shall deliver a true copy of such report and appendix, if any, for appropriate action to each public servant or body having removal or disciplinary authority over each public servant named therein. 4, report sealed during pendency of matter, which is what I just said. Okay, they're sealing it until the matter is completed. 5, if the court is not satisfied that the report complies, they may direct additional testimony to be taken before the same grand jury or must make order sealing the report. The report may not be filed as public record or be subject to subpoena or otherwise made public. And that's it. I don't think there's a third card. No, there isn't. And there you have it. That is CPL 190.80 grand jury reports. I'm not going to hold all this up. It's way too much for you guys to snapshot. Toodles.